Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make all open tabs group automatically in Chrome and Edge web browser for computer. So without any further delay, let's begin. So for this video tutorial I'm gonna use a Chrome web browser. So if you're using a Edge web browser, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, just open the Chrome or Edge web browser and say I have opened a tons of different websites and here multiple tabs has been open already, right? So in order to make all this open tabs group automatically all at once, what you need to do is just search one name on the Google search, Mark Tab Manager, and you can see on the first list Mark Tab Manager. Just click on it. Now just click on this Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension. Now finally it has been installed. Now just click on this extensions icon and just pin it, and now you can see here all the tabs has been automatically grouped, as you can see here. Now once you click on this respective group tabs, it will open all the sub tabs which you have opened. So you can see here it opened all the different tabs, right? So just right mouse click on this Mark Tab Manager icon and you can see your settings. So under the settings you can see different options. So if you want to select different options, then you can just go to the settings of this application and you can select different options right here. So by using this extension named as Mark Tab Manager, you can easily group all open tabs automatically in Chrome and Edge browser for computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.